Leo was a curious little explorer, and tonight he wore cozy, star-patterned pajamas and his oversized binoculars. He climbed into bed, tucked the blanket under his chin, and peered through the magical lenses. At once, his room became a soft, glowing jungle with silver leaves and lantern-like flowers. High in the canopy, sleepy monkeys yawned and curled their tails around branches like ribbons. Leo smiled and whispered goodnight, and the monkeys blinked slowly, then dreamed of warm moonbeams. Below them, a family of zebras walked to a quiet clearing, their stripes shining gently in the mist. Leo waved his little hand and wished them sweet dreams, and they nuzzled close together as the night breeze sang. Near a pond, a wise old hippo floated like a round silver pebble, letting his eyes rest just above the water. Leo gave a tiny goodnight salute, and the hippo closed his eyes with a peaceful little sigh. Then Leo looked toward the dusk-colored savanna, where the daytime animals settled into sleep while the nighttime animals began to stir. A deer lay down in soft grass. A bush baby peeked out with bright, friendly eyes, and a moonlit owl stretched its feathers. Leo visited each one with his gentle binoculars, never rushing, always smiling, always saying goodnight. The jungle seemed to breathe in a calm, sleepy rhythm, and every leaf shone as if it knew bedtime was near. At last, Leo climbed down from his imaginary treetop trail and tucked the magical binoculars beside his pillow. The glowing jungle faded into a hush, like a lullaby made of rustling leaves and faraway crickets. Leo closed his eyes, feeling safe and warm, while the safari animals slept and dreamed beneath the stars.